Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're giving you an update on the Halo Apartments in close to New Kingston. It's on Devon Road, and this area has a lot of apartments. However, this is the first high-rise apartment building in this area. So we're going to go through an article that gives more information on this development. The world of luxury living is about to reach new heights with the introduction of Halo, a groundbreaking residential complex that redefines contemporary design and sets a new standard for sophistication and comfort. Halo is more than just a residence. It is a statement of modern elegance, an investment opportunity, and a lifestyle that embodies the pinnacle of architectural innovation and luxury. Halo stands as a testament to visionary design, merging cutting-edge aesthetics with practical functionality. Characterized by its striking glass exterior and modern architectural elements, this property is a true marvel. Every detail, from the sleek finishes to the harmonious integration of form and function, reflects a commitment to excellence. Situated in a prime location, Halo offers residents a serene sanctuary while maintaining close proximity to urban conveniences, making it perfect for privacy and accessibility. Halo promises to elevate everyday living with its hotel-inspired ambience. Residents will enjoy an unparalleled sense of luxury while elegance is woven into every aspect of the design. The property is meticulously crafted to cater to the needs of those who appreciate sophistication and refinement. Halo's amenities are designed to enrich the lives of its residents and create a community of like-minded individuals who value the extraordinary. Among its standout features are a rooftop infinity pool offering panoramic views, providing an ideal space for relaxation and leisure, a state-of-the-art fitness center equipped with the latest technology to promote health and wellness, and elegant communal spaces where residents can unwind or socialize in a refined setting. These features ensure that Halo is not merely a residence but a holistic lifestyle destination. Alright, that's the end of the update article, and it goes on to say that the completion is expected in October 2025. Alright guys, let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.